Okie doke. All right, now, as promised, we'll go ahead and look at this example. Now, I'm not going to waste too much time here because in the past couple of days, you did a lot of discriminant and roots. So we're just going to look at a few things here, a couple things here, okay? They are the axis of symmetry and also the vertex. Okay, so these are something new from the standard form, and I would like to do a little bit of a practice. Okay, so we say, what's the axis of symmetry when you are given the standard form? Okay, the standard form would be 3x squared minus 6x plus 1, and we're going to do negative b over 2a to find out the axis of symmetry. And our b value, it's -6, and our a value, it's 3. Okay, by now, you should be pretty comfortable in telling the ABC values. All right, so you have -6 over 6. That means you have a 1 at the end. 6 over 6 is 1. Negative times negative, it's 1. So your axis of symmetry is x equals to 1. And that immediately tells us the vertex is the x value of the vertex. But what about the y value? Well, now here's the thing. Whenever you have an equation, okay, keep this in mind, okay? It will benefit you for a long, long time. Whenever you have an equation, okay, with all these x and y, it represents all the points on the curve, on the graph, okay? So whenever you have an equation, it doesn't matter if it's a quadratic equation, linear equation, or whatever equation. If you have an equation, it represents all of the points. And that means if you have x, you can find out the y. If you have y, you can find out the x. It's just a matter of how easy or how difficult it is. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply put in the 1 for all the x's. And we find out what y is. Okay, so we have 3 minus 6 plus 1. So 3 minus 6 is -3. -3 plus 1, it's a -2. So 1 comma -2, it's our vertex. See how easy it is. Very, very straightforward. Okay. So that's really it for the new information using the standard form to find out the axis of symmetry and vertex. So for the remaining pages, what you are going to do is, the next page, you're going to look at a few examples. Okay, you'll be given 3 standard form equation, and we'll go over this one by one, and make sure that you know how to extract all these information from the standard form. Okay, so that's really the slide that we are going to use. We're going to extract information, and that's why we care about the name of these forms, because they give us good information. All right, so go to the next video.